Welcome, today in front of me HTC Desire 22 Pro, and I'll show you how to switch on flashlight on this device. So first, let's just open notification panel shortcuts, and after that, somewhere here you should find the torch icon. If you have not here torch icon, like in my case, you tap on this edit icon, and after that, to add torch we should hold and drag it to this up section. Then just go back, and to use torch we should just click once here on this icon, and now we can see that the flashlight is activated successfully. If you want to turn it off, click once again on the torch icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.